Hello, this is me, Raju Rai, and welcome again, all my viewers. And I would like to request all the viewers that please like and subscribe to my channel. In previous video, we discussed about the uh, how the controller routing works, and then we did some uh, blade things here, and then in HTTP part we discuss about the controller sections. Here you can see, and in routing sections we have a simply three routes. We made the three routes which is controlled by our demo controller. So in this video I will discuss about the name routes, and this is the demo controller and how we use the demo routes in uh, how we use the simply our name routes. Sorry, I said the demo routes, how it works, name routes. So let's get into here. So let me first run this our project. So now this is our project. So this is inbuilt or default project. When I hit here home, then this gives me my home page. But right now uh, here we can see in about home sections I have this page, and then when I click here home, or just let me do one thing here. If this kind of error occurs, then just run this command php artisan optimize. So now if I again press this, it gives me. Okay, so in previous video we discussed about these things. Please check it out. And then when I write here about, this gives me about page, and these things how our routes works. So now today let's make one button, and for that I use the bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap I will discuss about it also in upcoming days. So let me include this bootstrap in this head section. Okay, so here just below this h1 tag, uh, let me make one button which should be submit type, and then just click. Let me right click, and let me do some class here, btn like info. So when I see this, it looks little bit different here. Okay, first of all let me do home. You can see here a button which is click and click. So let me put these things in a container. So this gives me a semi half page, as you can see here. So let's make one thing. When I click here, this should give me here our home or about page. So click to about page. Let me do this. Click to about page. Okay, click to about page. When I click here, it must be in about section. So for that let me put this button in anchor a tag. So here I can put this button, and if you see here, you can see no change. Okay, but when I click here, this should be in our about page. So for that I can simply use this as a about. This is our route. Okay, I can use in this way also, like if I refresh this and when I click this, I will go to the our about page. This is one method that how we can do here routing. But in this video we are going to discuss about the name routes, so that's why let's go into the our web.php. So here in about sections I can write name as a name route. I can write here about us. You can write anything here, okay? About us. This is my name routes, okay? So this is my name routes, and when I click here it gives me same thing. Now if I go to here and if I do the routing in this way like routes, okay, and here you should write the our route name means about us. This is the our name route. So let me refresh this again. Maybe this gives me some error here. You can see here I think route is not defined. That's we have seen here. So let's go to here and let's go here. This is about us, okay? This is our about us, and we are here in home page, and this is our about us. So if this kind of error occurs, then let's do PHP artisan optimize. Okay, now let's get back here and let's refresh this. Okay, now it's resolved. Now when I click this, the same thing happens what I did before. Yeah, so this is because of the our name routes. But here you can see, here I am in a home page. When I click here, the routes will be the same. Like if you change here, I mean to say, if you change here, it does not matter, it do not matter that what is here. So if I write here ram, okay, then it will show me here as a ram. Okay, like if I click here, this should be ram here, but I didn't optimize here. So let me do PHP artisan optimize to clear the cache. So now right now it is ram. So when I click here, this is not found. So when I click here, this will goes to the in ram page. So it is not. When I click here, this should be ram. So what is the benefit of the name routes? Okay, so that's the main thing. So I can write anything here, okay, anything, whatever, and when you use the name routes, you will never need to change these sections. Okay, you will not need to change this section and other view sections also. If you use the same thing for view sections also, then if you change here, then you need to change the everywhere. So but if you use the name routes, you can easily change here. Like if you want to change that name of route here, in this case I have a ram, and but I want to change this section as a Sita, then I can easily change here, and I don't need to change in the view sections because my routing is going because of the name route. So this is the simple benefit of the name routes. Okay, so here you can use same thing in contact sections also. So let me put this, and then for this is for contact us. So let me write here as a name route as a contact us, and this is contact page. Okay, so here I can go here and then just put the name, and then the name is contact us. Okay, so whatever you write here, it doesn't matter. Okay, now PHP artisan optimize. So let's go here, and then let me get back, and when I refresh here, it gives me this contact page also. When I click here, this will change here in contact page. Okay, so when I click here, this gives me a about page. So this is how routing works, and by using name, I don't if I want to change, if I click here, this gives me contact, yeah, but I want to make it as a contact me. So I just write it contact me here. So let me clear out cancel. So now let me go to here and then refresh it. Now when I click here, this gives me contact me. So it will be easy to change these things by using name routes. So that's why most of the developer, or most of the time, we use the name routes. Okay, this is the main advantage of our name routes. We'll continue about this Laravel playlist sections or Laravel videos. Till that, bye bye and thank you very much.